Hi everyone, welcome back to our new video. We will discuss about a little technique to use layers option for a sheet which have multiple designs on it. Okay, now I am opening my design, import drawing, wall arts, okay, inches, select inches, okay. So now you can see here there are multiple designs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 designs or 8 designs I have there. If I go with the flow, the automatic settings of the Sheetcam, uh, this will not ensure that the outline of any one of the design will cut after the inside cuts. Okay, what will happen? First, this outline will cut and the material will fall down and the inside cuts will be remained non-cut. So you have to make sure that every outline will cut after the inside parts, inside, inside cuts. So a little, if you have many parts, a full sheet of different parts, then it will be very, very difficult to make sure and ensure that every single element is cut. So I have a little technique. What this technique is, just go to the options. Let's go to this edit contours and select outline of all of the parts. This will take less time than selecting all elements like inside cuts and outside cuts and single lines, everything. So just go to this edit contours, select this outline of first shape, move to layer, then new layer, name it as outside cut line. Okay. So do same with this, all of the outlines. Sorry, I'm just trying to make it as quick as possible. Here now you can see every red line is my outline of all the shapes, 6 shapes, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shapes, and all other lines, green lines are the cuts. Okay, now what happened? I just changed the layer of the outlined lines of every shape to another layer and make another cut operation to this layer. So now, firstly, it will cut these shapes, inside shapes. So inside shapes, we have to remember this inside offset. So first, it will cut inside shapes of all the designs, like this inside shapes, these inside shapes of this logo, the inside shapes of this line, this painter, the inside shapes. Then it will move towards the outside shapes. Okay. So in this way, you can, reduce the time of uh, standing at the machine. So in the previous case, if you don't use this layer system, you have to stay up, stay standing at the machine. When this part cut, you have to manually remove this part or it will fall down into the water table. Same with this next part will cut and you will have to, remove this from the table. So, but in this way, in this technique, using the layers, you just start the machine, it will cut all the inner cuts. You can, just sit and see, just sit and watch these cutting. And when the outline starts cutting, you can just go towards the machine. And for example, this part is outline cut, you just remove this part and so on. So if you get what I want to, you know, tell you about this little technique, you can reduce the time of cutting on the machine and also you can reduce the your hectic job at the machine. So you can just sit and watch the inside cuts and when the outside cuts starts, You then go to the machine and pick up these parts so that they should not fall down into the water table. So that's enough for today's video. Sorry for my audio quality. I'm just making these videos with my little equipment. So just like the videos, subscribe to my channel, and give me feedback through comments, or you can email me. I have shared my email on my channel. So if you want any other video on different topics on the Sheetcam or anything regarding CNC plasma cutting, wood routers, or laser cutting, you can just ask me and I'll try to help you as much as I can. Thanks for watching.